Today I'm going to be showing and telling you some tips and tricks on how to have clear skin. So before we get into today's video, like this video, subscribe, turn on that post notification bell, and go follow my Instagram, BellaGrace7609. Tip number 1 is to have a skincare routine. This skincare routine could be simple or it could be complex. My skincare routine is I start off with a cleanser, and then I go in with the micellar water and serum, and then finally I moisturize with my Pond's moisturizer. This is my skincare routine, and it works very well for me because I have dry and sensitive skin. So I would recommend finding a skincare routine that works for you. This could be by trial and error. This could be going by a dermatologist's office and getting them to recommend you a skincare routine. Anything like that, just get you a skincare routine. Tip number 2 is to prime your face before you wear your makeup, because primer protects your pores from getting all that gunk and stuff in it, and you'll see a big difference when you start wearing primer. Number 3 is the hardest one for me personally, and that is staying away from junk food, specifically chocolate. I love chocolate. I'm a Twix girl. I love chocolate. I love caramel. You have to stay away from those things a little less. Moderate them, because I don't moderate them. I just eat the whole thing at one time, like a whole jar of mini Twixes at one time. But we got to moderate our sugar if you want to have clear skin. I've actually noticed this. The less I've been eating chocolate, the more clear my skin has gotten. Number 4 is do not be stressed, because when you are stressed, you're going to have pimples. It happens to everyone. One of the biggest reasons people have pimples is because they are stressed. So don't be stressed. Just relax, go to a spa, do whatever you need to do. Tip number 5 is when you're searching for your makeup, make sure you look and see if it's for sensitive skin or acne-prone skin. If it is, buy it. This is specifically made for people who have pimples and acne, and if they break out easily, this makeup is specifically made to avoid that. If you want to purchase any of the items I mentioned in this video, make sure to go check out the link in my description. That is all for today's video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, go follow my Instagram at BellaGrace7609, and make sure to click that notification bell so you know when I always post a new awesome video. That's all for today. Have a great day.